Let's do a quick overview of the basic things you need to have in a class. In C++, we started off with class and then the name of whatever you want to call the class. Typically, by convention, the class name is going to be capitalized. Inside of here, you'll mostly have private and public. These can be variables as well as methods. Typically, you'll have private methods, and these are methods that only the class can access. Only the functions inside of here will have access to these private methods. At the end of this, you're going to want to have a semicolon. You can use the class in the same CPP file as your main method if you would like, but going back into our class, you'll start with private values typically, and you'll have variables in here. Then you'll have public methods, and these methods can be called from outside of the function. To make something private, you have private and then the colon. Everything after this will be private until it is redeclared. Like you see, we declare everything underneath this as public. Members of classes are private by default, though you should specify what you're actually doing. If you have any questions on the basics of how to make a class, please let me know below. And if you want more C++ concept videos, there's a playlist link below the like button. And also check out the channel for a C++ practice exercise that I'll be doing as well.